ग्रुप्स ऑल्सो। ओके, और मैं आप लोगों के जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स है उसमें भी ये पीपीटी शेयर कर दूंगी।
Okay, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is a research article? A literature review is a comprehensive summary of previous research on the topic, right? I have told you that thing, that a research article is, what is a review article basically? An article which should be reviewed, already written, or already being researched, that should be reviewed. That means, tell me, what is the meaning of reviewed?
Yes.
Revisiting, ma'am.
Revisiting or re-researched or
Reviewing again.
reread. ओके, इट इज बीइंग रीरेड अगेन, उस चीज को जिसको पढ़ा जाएगा। दैट इज अ लिटरेचर रिव्यू इज अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव समरी ऑफ प्रीवियस research on the topic. So already the research which is previously being done, a review should be done to that literature, to that thing, that is called research article. Now tell me one thing, that what do you mean by literature? What is a literature meaning?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, అంటే
What is a literature?
answer.
Explanation of or brief explanation of any topic, ma'am.
Yes, like anything which is in a written form. Anything which is in a written form. Like if you have purchased a electronic item, you used to purchase phone. Telephones are very common to everyone, like AC, refrigerator, telephone we used to purchase. Then what happened, if we purchase electronic or any kind of equipment, we used to get a booklet with it, right? Every equipment used to have a booklet. And if you are facing any kind of problem in operating the device, what you used to do? You used to do a call to the call center, right?
Someone's mic is on.
I think this is Paragi and she is talking to someone else.
Yes, somebody is talking.
Not getting your voice properly, ma'am.
Now is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, देखो क्या होता है, from where, it here only.
I don't know if we have admin control.
Yeah, I seriously, the
Yes,
people
you
can
control,
open.
ma'am, from
I
there
can
only.
from more settings. I will learn it. Okay. Even I don't. हाँ, यहाँ पे है option है mute all का. Fine.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, I saw it. Okay. Now, again, get back to the thing, that if you are getting a device and if you are facing some kind or other problem with it, then what you used to do, you used to make a call to the call center or customer care, and they said that bring out your literature given with the device, and they used to guide it step by step with that, right? So that booklet which is related to an electronic device is also called literature. So something which is written in a literary form with in a language in a written form is called literature. Got it? Now you don't have to get confused with the term literature, because many times besides research paper or article, literature will come. Okay? Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Now, so a literature review is a comprehensive summary of previous researches on a topic. Now, literature reviews surveys scholarly article, books, or other sources relevant to a particular area of research. Whatever research area you used to have, literature review is an area. Literature review used to give you a idea about your research, because you are recently put yourself into this researches. Your you have started your research, you are doing a coursework, but many are Many scholars have already done a researches on the same topic or the similar topic. So their articles, their research books, their research papers will give you an idea about your topic, your area of research, that what can be chosen, or if you have chosen already, then how to write about it and what to write about it, what should be avoided because it is already written or uh, already researched. So you will get an idea before writing your thesis or before you started writing your thesis, going through this idea, going through the practices of reading the research papers, research articles, research books, you will get an idea on which topic or in which area you have to put yourself into researches. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the research should enumerate, describe, summarize, objectively evaluate, and clarify this previous research. What happens? Okay, there is a question. A person is asking. Yes. You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes, ask
we have,
your question.
do we have something called research rethink instead of research review, where we
No,
are going with
no,
existing research?
there is nothing like research rethink. It's only research review because you can put yourself into rethinking or redoing whatever practice you want to do. But if you are referring some other work, that is called research or review. Okay.
Yes, madam.
I got a hand raise from Anurag Nigam. Yes, Anurag.
Madam, what are the sources from where we can get those research papers?
There are many websites like Shodh Ganga, Shodh Gangotri, Shodh Disha, Academia, Aleja, Britannica, Scholarly. There are many websites. You will when you will put it on your Google, then you will get to know about it. Not an issue.
Okay, so we can refer from those.
Yeah, you can refer from those.
Uh,
Ilzoma Shah was also asking some question. I think that time he was unable to unmute himself. Do you want to ask anything, Ilzoma? Sorry, Ziluma. It's Ziluma Shah.
No, ma'am, I didn't ask any question.
Okay. I think there was hello beta.
Ma'am,
But
can you share those website address in this just
I'll
chat
try.
so we can use it for the
Definitely, I'll share the link in your WhatsApp groups. No issues. Ibrahim, do you want to ask the question?
No.
No. Okay. I saw because some hand raise were there, so I forget the name. That's why I'm asking. Now, let's begin with the topic. So, the review should enumerate, describe, summarize, objectively evaluate, and clarify this previous research. Whatever research topic you have chosen, according to that or in the accordance with your topic, you have to evaluate the topic, you have to describe or summarize the article in your synopsis or research. You have to evaluate the particular research article or thesis objectively and clarify that what kind of elements you are taking from this particular research which has already been done on the same or similar topic. So that should be mentioned properly in your research work. Got it? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Varghese ji, are you getting my points? Varghese ji, Varu, Varughese. It's, I think. Maybe yeah, that is it. You are getting now? Okay, I just saw a blank page. That's why I asked. Now it should give a theoretical base for research and help you, or the author that is, determine the nature of your research. So whenever you are putting yourself into this tiring activity, obviously to read someone else's research paper, research articles, research theses, to find out the matter for your research and theses, that gives, it should give a theoretical base for the research and help the author to determine the nature of your research. Now, what happens when you are doing a research, when you are going to write this thesis, and you are reading the similar kind of thesis, then definitely it will give you an idea that in what flow your thesis should go, how you have to arrange the data, and how you have to write. First you have to give an introduction of that, then you have to provide the data, then the data should be analyzed, then the conclusion should be given, sorry, explanation should be given of all the data or the numericals or the numbers, then after that the findings should be there and conclusion should be there, right? So reading these articles, research books, and research papers used to give you an article idea that how your research should go and what should be the nature of your research. It should be an action one, it should be a qualitative one, it should be a quantitative one, it should be a surveyed one. So there are many type of researches are there. You must be learning it in the class of research methodology. So they will tell you that how many kind of researches are there and what should be the nature of your research. Yes, there was some hand raised.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in references, only papers we have to refer or website?
everything you have to refer. मैंने first class में ही बताया था आपको. There are
I missed
three
that.
kind of references. First is primary references, whatever you are dealing with the text, the main text you are dealing with, the main author or main objective, for that you are dealing with the books or things, that will be your primary data. Then secondary will be the all these research paper and reviewed papers will be the secondary data. Then will be the web sources. Now you are reading the articles like during 2020 and 2021, all the research scholars who have done their researches, they must have referred everything online. There will be no provision to go offline, obviously. So what they did, they are reading the research papers online, but the data was there that in which year it was published, what who is the author of the writer, what was the name of the publication, and what was the name of the book. All these things are put together to make a secondary source. You have to do the same. There is no need to go many of the libraries. You can visit the papers, you can read the papers online, but you have to put the sequence in the MLA or APA style there as a secondary data. But some data or some research papers are present or are available only on the site from where you cannot copy or they cannot be downloaded. So the data which cannot be downloaded as a PDF or something, they will be shown only as a web source. Got it?
Got it. Thank
ठीक
you.
है. जिस भी रिसर्च पेपर को, जिस भी रिसर्च थीसिस को आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो एज अ पीडीएफ, वो सेकेंडरी डेटा में जाएगा. जो डेटा डाउनलोडेबल नहीं है, या तो आपको वहां से केवल कॉपी करना पड़ेगा या फिर आपको उसको एज इट इज पढ़ के वहां पे लिखना पड़ेगा. वो किस में आएगा? वेब सोर्सेज में आएगा. उसका वेब लिंक ऊपर से आप कॉपी करके नीचे पेस्ट करोगे, बट वो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
ठीक है. क्या कह रहे हैं ये मैसेज में? किसी ने कोई मैसेज किया है? इब्राहिम इज सेइंग रिसर्च किट. अच्छा, आपने कहा है. Please do not send the numbers to add in the group. You can click on the link. Yeah. Okay. Now, next,
Okay, ma'am.
primary, secondary, and web sources are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And I think whatever I'm writing,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
handwriting is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am writing in a bit
Yes,
of.
madam.
I'm also writing in bit of a Gandhian style. Handwriting थोड़ी unclear है, but please do understand I'm using a tab and pen, which is a very. Yes, Syed Haris.
It's readable, ma'am. It's readable.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. My question is not so much maybe relevant to what we're studying, but
It's okay.
if you want to skip the question, I'm okay with that too. The question is there a way you tell us what all are the steps for us to complete the coursework? I mean, I know we will have to go through a couple of things, but my information is not very concrete, so that I'm clear what is expected of me, what are my timelines, and I mean, maybe you can do it today, later, or you can give me a resource to read myself, but something which tells me that these are the steps for me for this 1 year or for this semester, so that I'm clear and I can plan my things, my deliverables.
Actually, ma'am,
See,
I also have the same question, but I was hesitating.
no,
Thank you
no,
so
that's
much.
okay. You want to know that what are basically the steps to complete the coursework.
Right, complete the coursework as well as what am I expected to do as a student?
Okay.
In
The
this.
only thing is, see, the only thing is we are providing these classes so that the student who are totally unaware about the coursework and the syllabuses can get to know and can utilize these notes as a source for the answer writings of your question paper which you are going to take in your examination of coursework. Okay. But
Sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but here is my question. I don't know when is the exam and what is the examination.
obviously
For
nobody knows
example,
right now, but the coursework period is basically which is granted to a university is 1 year. Okay, and you have to complete the whole coursework within the time slot. The private university used to complete it within the time slot of 3 to 6 months. ठीक है, it can be a 4 month, it can be 4.5 month because it varies. Sometimes छुट्टियां आ जाती हैं, कोई टीचर ऑफ ले लेता है, कुछ भी है, तो it goes to 3 to 4 months. And meanwhile you have to prepare your notes about the things. We will assign you some assignments that you have to submit, and on the basis of that some marks will be given to you. After the end of the classes you will be given the dates for the your examination, and that will have a time slot of 1.5 month or 2 months around, so that you can well prepare yourself with the assignments and the test papers both. You have to submit your assignment online, mail by mail, and question papers I think will be sorry, the coursework exam will be taken offline and online, both the modes, within the time slot of 6 months. And the marks are very much important.
all right. And thank you. I think this brings me a lot of clarity.
Yeah.
Another thing is that you said the other day that the coursework will have 3 papers: research methodology, review of research, and
Computer application.
Right. So these 3 papers are conducted around after
Yeah.
4.5 months in
Yes.
6 months' time. Three
Yes.
papers will be separate. 3 papers will be conducted.
Separate 3 papers will be there, and you have to give us 3 assignments of all the 3. I think 1
assignments. Okay.
assignments also, because we have to check all the assignments and give you marks on the basis of that how much knowledge you have.
All 3 subjects will have separate assignment and separate
Yes,
exam.
separate assignments will be given to you because that will be in subjective mode, and your examination will be in objective mode. That's why.
Got it. Got it. So assignment is subjective, and
Your
the
examination will be objective.
Objective. Very good.
Yes.
Thank you. Now another question, which is I'm sorry. I hope
It's
I'm not
okay.
taking a
It's
lot
okay.
of.
That will benefit everyone.
Yeah. Now, next question is that when we complete these 6 months and coursework is completed and we've given our exam and we have passed, the next stage is writing synopsis.
Synopsis.
Is that?
Yes. You will be given
Synopsis.
the time of 3 months to complete your synopsis.
Great. So 3 months time will be given after the
Approximately
exam?
3 months time used to be given, because during the time of coursework all of you will be aware about aware from your guides. They will ask you, they will allot you the guides, and your clarity will be more about your topics. So after your coursework exam you will be given the time of 3 months, and in that duration you have to write the synopsis, and that is more than sufficient. वो कम नहीं होता time, sufficient होता है.
Okay, 3 months synopsis के लिए, right?
हाँ, वो sufficient
And
होता है
what?
because you used to have a complete idea what you have to do. जैसे मैंने आपको steps बता दिए, तो your topic has been finalized. Then the only tiresome thing is to write the introduction. Research of review, तो introduction लिखने के लिए तुम जितने sources अभी तक explore करे होंगे वो सब तुम already research of review में लिख दोगे. Bibliography उसके साथ साथ बनती चली जाती है. Objective and aim will be clarified very easily. So बाकी सारी चीजें हो जाती है. The only thing is to write a introduction, and 3 months is more than enough to write a introduction of 3 pages.
ठीक है. Now another thing is, so thank you. I think I'm really feeling better getting answer to these questions. So,
Thank you.
So 3 months for synopsis. After that, and during that synopsis period, a supervisor or a guide is assigned. Correct?
Yeah, nahi, before that.
Before that, right? Good. Now, after synopsis is over, and I think I would also request my classmates maybe to write down steps and put it on WhatsApp group. That will help everybody if you guys are listening. Just to document it. So, ma'am, next question is: once the synopsis is over, it means that my 9 months into the program are over, almost 9 to 10 months, right?
Yes.
What's the next step then?
Then your interview will be conducted whenever you will notify your guide that your synopsis is ready. We will take it in the notice and we will put an interview of yours. You have to come, you have to visit the university where the interview will be conducted in front of the director, VC, 2 external faculties, and your guide will be there. A few members, matlab many people can be there in your interview of your synopsis, so that they people can ask questions from your synopsis. They can ask technical and non technical questions, like they can ask you what kind of font you have used, how you have made it MLA, just describe the MLA format, describe the APA format, describe how you have taken the research review. Whatever you have learned during the coursework, they can ask you any kind of question in the interview as well. And from the synopsis, that is your core part of subject and your topic, would be conducted. One interview will be last maximum to 45 minutes, and then your guide will decide that you are going with the same topic or it should be moduled a bit. Your synopsis is technically and literary in the both way correct or not, or you need to modify something. Then corrections can be granted, or it can be granted a yes to it. It can be signed. That will be agar if it has some kind of mistakes technically or theoretically, then you will be asked to make the corrections of that you have to submit within the time slot of 1 month or 2 months. That depends on totally on your guide. And after that a resubmission will be taken, and when the resubmission or the corrected synopsis will be accepted by the department, then you have been asked to write the research papers and work on your thesis.
Got it. So it means about a year is over it's going to take in the
Yes,
interview.
it's a private university. We are still working very fast, but in a government university, 18 months coursework is there.
No, I don't mind the time as long as I know what time do I have to invest in and I'm clear on my schedule. So thank
You don't mind, no, but people do mind, because 18 months you are investing in just coursework. Then they give you another 18 months for your synopsis. So your 3 years almost gone just for the submission of synopsis.
Right.
So
And then
when will you
when you
submit yours?
say, no, I truly appreciate everything what you're saying. Thank you. Ma'am, next is after the synopsis is approved and we get into research, then the same guide continues with us to support us
Yes.
writing in the research paper, right?
Yes.
The same process, I think, is followed for research as well. There will
Yes,
be an interview.
definitely, and he will. You have to be continuously in contact with your guide, and you have to show your growth to him or her continuously. That how much growth is there, what you have done within a course, matlab within a uh, period of 1 month or 2 month, how much you have written, how much you have read, so that he or she will be able to make a 6 monthly report of your. The guide has to submit a 6 monthly report of every scholar.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And
So
what generally is the trend to complete that research work? What's the trend for you? I mean, 6 months, I know there's a progress submission, but what's generally
I
the
think
trend?
it used to take at least 2 years, 1.5 to 2 years,
Okay, okay.
because in
The
during that time you have to complete your research, you have to submit your thesis, you have to publish your research papers and complete your thesis within the period of 2 years. And then within the period of 2 years, if you are on the edge of completing your thesis, this is my suggestion, personal suggestion, baki rest on all the students. If you are also on the edge of completing your synopsis, just do write the university that you are done with it and you are ready for the pre-presentation, because university used to take the time of 2 to 3 months to take the pre-presentation, and you will get the time to complete it. But if you didn't write to them and your time period will be over, then they will ask you for the extension fees. To avoid that, just do write them a mail before that you are ready with your synopsis. Then you can ask them that yes, some kind of rectifications are there, or uh, rewritings are there, some errors are there, तो वो उसमें चलता रहता है, but your guide should be in support of.
Okay, okay. And the guide is always internal, right? Is there one
No,
guide
it is
or is there
always
second?
no. It's always internal, because there is no provision of taking an external guide since 2016. So you have to take a internal guide itself. But if you want a help from an external guide, you can take it from your side. But she cannot sign on your thesis. You can just write her or his name in the acknowledgement.
Okay, okay. No, I don't need that, but I think, and it's just to get some extra additional support
You
because
can take it from outside, not an issue. You can take it from outside, but that should be completely on your part. If some payments are there, you have to see for it. If some kind of gratitude has to be paid, you have to see for it. But no one else will help in that. Just a minute,
no,
Anjali.
no, I completely.
Yeah.
My only point is because my time zone is different.
Hmm.
I'm in a different country, and my time
I know
zone is
you are
different.
from Dubai, I think.
I am from Dubai, but I'm not in Dubai right
Okay.
now. So sometimes it may be difficult to coordinate with them. So that's the only thinking that I have at the moment. What if
No
I
issues.
take
No issues. You can even find out the question. You can take it later. No issues. If you have any other question, you can ask me.
No, I think I'm done. I am
Okay.
very glad and I'm very happy you've answered very clearly.
Thank
And
you
I
so
think
much.
We all are very happy that you got satisfied.
Thank you so
Actually,
much.
you represented all of us from Dubai.
Thank
Or
you,
elsewhere.
sir. Yes, Anjali?
Ma'am, how many research papers we have to publish?
Two.
Okay.
Two papers you have to publish compulsorily.
Is it in a UGC peer reviewed or?
Yeah, it should be in the UGC peer reviewed or UGC care.
Okay.
Thank you
Not,
so much, ma'am, for such
Most
a
welcome.
useful information.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am.
Most
You have been
welcome.
so
Most
kind.
welcome.
Thank you.
Whenever you have any kind of confusion regarding that, you can ask me, because I have 5 scholars with me also. So I used to guide them on a day-to-day basis, and I have a long experience with that. So don't worry about it. I'm always there. Along with taking your classes, I will forward the notes to you, and obviously will help you with that. Completely in support of you. Completely will try to solve all your queries. Don't worry. Yes, I. Bataiye.
just another question. Are you
Sure.
also on a WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I am in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, so would you want to write your name or something and say hi so that we know?
Yeah, sure. I'll do that. I'll do that. Today I have done a message because I mistakenly joined your computer application class because 6:30 time was allotted to me. Later they changed it to 7:30 and I was not aware about it. So
Okay, we
I
were
wrote it
thinking we
in the
all are the
group.
only students there.
Yeah.
So we'll be careful if you're there.
It's okay. I'll write a message there, and you will all get to know about it. Abhi, just after the class, I will write a message that I'm Dr. Neha, and you all can save my number for any kind of queries. Okay?
Wonderful. You're
Yeah.
awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Most welcome, everyone. Yes.
Right. Now we are all
Welcome, ma'am.
confident
Thank you.
and we have got an idea. Now we
Yeah,
have got an
thank
idea.
you.
We have once again turned ourselves as students.
And no, even after the class, you all are very much welcome to ask your questions in the group, and I will try to answer you all your queries. Okay, don't worry
Okay,
about
Ma'am,
it.
very nice.
actually, I think Mr. Sayed, what he asked a number of
A
questions. So
number of
everyone had the same question in their mind, and
definitely.
I think everyone clarified with respect to their coursework and examination, all their PhD
Actually,
overall.
Devendra, sorry to
Yes,
interrupt you, but these questions are really nothing. When you will
yes,
see a growth with your coursework program, now you will come up with the n number of questions in your mind that how it will go, how it will be done, what kind of researches they are, how we will implement in our theses. Ma'am, if we done this, what if we do that, what if the review will go wrong, what if the bibliography we won't match, what if we forget to put the number in the end note or footnote. So there will be n number of questions when you will do a progress. Abhi, it's a beginning, so you are just puzzled that how the thesis program will go, but with the growth of that you will be puzzled more because this is a research. It's not a program like academic course like MA or BA, but it's a research and you have to put a lot of effort, trust me. Yeah, but it is good. It's once for all. If you have put all your labor, you will be awarded with a doctoral degree and that will be benefited to you for sure. But yes, be honest with your work. That is the most important thing. Be honest with your
Yes,
work.
ma'am.
Don't just try to get it written by anyone other or some other sources or on a paid basis or something, because they used to cheat. They used to do the plagiarism or things. So try to put all your effort. If it it is completely out of the box, then do try to take the help of your guides. Okay,
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
most welcome.
Hope everyone gets a guide like you, madam.
True, ma'am.
I belong to one subject only. But I am here to guide you. Don't worry, we have a group and that will last for a longer period. If you have any kind of problem, even in your subject, I will try to sort it out. Don't worry.
Thank you
No,
so much, ma'am.
no,
Most
no,
welcome.
ma'am.
Yes,
Once we have,
yes, Sushma.
Ma'am, you said that we have to publish two paper.
Yes.
So that paper we have to publish within that coursework.
No, 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 no. After the coursework, when your synopsis will approved, only after that. Before that, you cannot publish any paper, or if you publish, that will not be considered.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
once your synopsis is being approved, then only you have to publish two papers related to the topic. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Besides that, you can publish n number of papers on any kind of topic. That won't matter. That will increase or update your profile. That will give you a good API. That is Assistant Professor Index. That will give you a very good API, but it won't be considered in PhD. Fine?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Now, let's continue with that, I think. So, this is the basic idea of a literature review. Next is the literature review acknowledges the work of previous researchers and in doing so assures the readers that your work has been well conceived. Okay, so here, Sanjitha, please don't give your number. Already there is a link in the message. Please find it and join with it. Please do share the WhatsApp link again. Whosoever has done it in the message box, please, I request, do share the WhatsApp link again. Do it by your own, please. Okay. Now, the literature review acknowledges the work of previous researchers. Obviously, by reviewing the other research work, you get to know how much work has already been done on it and how you can modify your topic to save your research work from plagiarism. Okay, and in doing so assures the reader that your work has been well conceived. That means that you have already read all the things and your topic will come up with a new findings which has not been done till date. आज तक जिस चीज पे काम नहीं किया गया है आपके रिसर्च में उन्हें वो देखने को मिलेगा. आपने ऑलरेडी रिसर्च रिव्यूज को वहां पे रख के लिख के ये चीज अश्योर की है अपने रीडर्स को, अपने गाइड्स को, सुपरवाइजर्स को. ओके, it is assumed that by mentioning a previous work in the field of study, that author has read, evaluated and assimilated that work into the work at hand. Already ये assume किया जाता है कि literature review लिखने का मतलब क्या होता है, that by the readers, whosoever it is, whosoever the supervisors or the readers of the synopsis or the research work, they used to assume that the author has already gone through the research work which has already been done on the topic and he is well aware about the facts and he has assimilated that fact, he has included those facts into his research works. Got it, my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now a literature review creates a landscape for readers, giving her or him a full understanding of the development in his field. After going through the research paper and research reviews and literature, it gives you a complete idea that how far already a work is being done. ठीक है, कितना काम ऑलरेडी इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक या इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में हो चुका है, आप नया क्या ढूंढ सकते हो और क्या नहीं ढूंढ सकते हो, ये आपको एक पूरा आइडिया मिल जाता है. गॉट इट? Understood? Right. Now this landscape informs the reader that the author has indeed assimilated all the vast majority of previous and significant work in the field into her or his research. तो यही assume किया जाता है कि that complete landscape which informs the reader that the author has indeed assimilated all the vast majority of previous significant work. उसने वो सारा data collect करके वहां पे reference देके कि whatever I am writing in my thesis, this is the reference to that, this is already being proven. So I am taking a reference to that and in that reference I want to put my argument in this way. So by using the literature review there in your thesis, by using the references in your thesis, you make the reader assured that whatever I am saying is not baseless. It is proven or it is already being researched or it is having a data or a fact. It includes a fact as well. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now a review article is also called as literature review, is a survey of previously published research topic. It should give an overview of current thinking on the theme and unlike an original article, research article, won't present new experimental results. So basically it presents the results of that time when it is being researched. It doesn't include the current results. Like if you are reviewing or reading an article of 1999 or 2009 or 2019, till then the data will be collected in that, but after that, because corona was there, maybe the research articles are not published or not published on time or whatever has happened, but you will get the data till 2019. After that, all the data will be collected by you to prove and to synthesize your thesis. Fine. Now next, a review article is an article that summarizes the current state of understanding on a topic within the certain discipline. A review article is generally considered a secondary source. I already told you that it will come in the secondary source, since it may analyze and discuss the method and conclusion in the previously published studies. Because you are taking the data from the conclusions and the methods which is being used in writing the article. You are going to use that and you will include that in your thesis, but not the complete research paper. Its methodology and findings will be included. It resembles a survey article in news publishing, overview article which also surveys and summarize previously published primary and secondary sources instead of reporting new facts and results. Because new facts and results will be done by you, because you are researching now on the same topic. That is why the word research is added here, because already the fact are already the things are here. If you have come up with a thing which is already present here, what we used to call it discovery. And when a thing is already being discovered and you are like searching for it, then it becomes research, because it is already being searched that this thing has happened. Now you are going in the in-depth study of the particular thing, and that is called researching of that idea. Got it? So by including all these things, it becomes a research. Survey articles are, however, considered tertiary source, since they do not provide additional analysis and synthesis of new conclusion. Tertiary source means a secondary sources. Huh? Other sources, secondary sources, because they are considered as a secondary sources to provide you an additional information, analysis, synthesis to come up with a new conclusions. And a research review of such sources is often referred as a tertiary review, a secondary or other review. Now, academic publication. What is academic publications? What is an academic publication?
Academic publication means man who publish the academic books like on the literature.
No.
For the education purpose.
No, Devendra. No. See, an academic publication is which is related to some of the university or academic institution. Okay, like our university started a journal or a publication, and they will ask their researchers, their scholars to contribute in that. That is called academic publications with an ISBN number or something. That is all called academic publications. Okay, and UGC care list and UGC journals are different. If I started a journal or I started a publication and I got affiliated it, I got the affiliation from UGC, then it will be UGC care or UGC listed or peer reviewed journal. But academic publication, when an institution or a university asked for it. Yes, Sharmila?
Ma'am, academic publications are those publications which are from a institution, like it could be like Indian Institute of Botanical Research or something like that?
Yes. Yes. Yes, Arjun?
Ma'am, the publications which we used to publish, and there are sometimes what happens is the articles or the papers which we publish in the reviewed journals, but during the time of publication it will be in the review list, then later on it will not be there.
I know that happens, but if you are publishing a paper and it was in the list at that time, your paper will be recognized.
Okay. Thank you.
If it was removed later on, then it is not your fault. It was at the time of, it should be in the list at the time of publication.
Okay.
Yeah. Academic publications that specialize in research article are known as review journals. Got it? जो institutions या universities खुद अपने journals निकालती हैं, review journals निकालती हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Academic publications. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then review journals have their own requirement for the review article they accept. So review article may vary slightly depending on the journal they are being submitted to. So basically, review journals have their own requirements for the review articles they accept. They have their own criteria on which they want a journal to be written. क्या criteria है वो? The main people working in the field, like they used to accept an article from the scholars because that should be a scholar. It should be a researcher who is active in the field. Second, recent major, or it can be a supervisor also who is also an active person in the field, an academician who is teaching or something. But they won't accept articles like if I want to contribute an article from a journal of South India and I don't belong to any kind of university, then they won't accept it. Okay. So research, a review journal or academic publication do accept an article from the active people in the field. Second, recent major advances and discoveries. The journal should, the article should include the recent discoveries and findings. Third, significant gap in the research, that means that should be under the criteria of plagiarism. अंडर द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ प्लेगियरिज्म, वहां पे सिमिलैरिटीज नहीं होनी चाहिए. सिग्निफिकेंट गैप इन द रिसर्च. एक तो गैप यहाँ पर आता है कि एक पब्लिकेशन जो आपका हुआ है दैट शुड हैव अ 3 month, एटलीस्ट 3 month गैप फ्रॉम द सेकंड रिसर्च. एंड सेकंड थिंग दैट प्लेगियरिज्म शुड बी मेंटेन्ड. Okay, current debate, it should be based on the current scenario, it should be based on the current topic. It's not like you belong to 21st century and you are taking a topic of 14th century, 16th century. It won't be accepted. Suggestions of where research might go next. So they will ask you about the objectives, that what you are aiming toward, what is the relevance of your research in today's time. So if all the criteria will be fulfilled and accepted, fulfilled by the scholar, it will be accepted by the review journal. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Fine. So these are the criteria. Now, if anyone have any kind of question, you can ask me. Is there any question? Because your next topic is meta study, that I'll take in next class. Till then, I'm taking. Till then, I have taken today. So what is academic journal? What are the criteria of writing a research paper? How it is and what is a research paper? Everything is being done. I have even written some of the hand notes, so that will be also shared in your group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome, bacha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I ask you one?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Prabodh.
yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Prabodh. बोलिए.
Which
Thank you, ma'am.
subject do you guide, ma'am?
I am a supervisor in English department.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, new entrant, maybe newcomers who my friends are actually querying about new admission is taking in PhD or not?
Yeah, they are taking the admissions, and I think next entrance exam will held in the next month of I think second.
June 22nd has been already announced. June 22nd.
Okay, ma'am. On English itself, they are querying. So it's a good. I can ask you actually
Yeah,
some of the questions
tell me.
privately. Not today, ma'am.
Fine. You can
Afterwards.
message me privately in the WhatsApp group if you are. You can message me privately. Yes, Geeta.
Madam, I want to just ask one more clarification with your description what you had given before. Can we get a syllabus in type like? And this is one question. And second thing is I want to know, after our coursework, after the synopsis, it is only the basic research methodology or research thing we are doing, or any subject pertaining to a specialty also there is some work to be done in that.
No. See, whatever, if your synopsis is being approved, then that will be your only subject and only specialization on which you have to work on.
So like how we are giving examination for these three subjects prior, so that and all is not there. It is only the research work itself
That
that
will only the
completes.
coursework which we are
Okay.
teaching you. We will provide you the notes. On the basis of that, or by using the internet, you have to compile your assignments, and your objective paper will come to you.
No, that I got it, madam. But I was
Then
just reviewing regarding the after the synopsis. Like you told, only the thesis has to be done.
after the
So along with
synopsis,
thesis,
yeah, after the synopsis, you have to do only thesis.
there is no any other subject to be
No
dealt
any
with.
other subject to be dealt with. You have to do
Okay.
only your writing. Your thesis will be your only work, and publishing
Okay.
your paper.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
That's it.
You are fully immersed in study.
Yes, 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 Sharmila.
Ma'am, are we doing subject-specific thesis after the synopsis? Like, suppose I am a student of zoology and I have some synopsis written about zoology content. Like, let's say the human brain sizes or with regard to intelligence. So I'll be doing only on that topic, right?
Yes, you will be doing only that topic. I think I have taken your interview, and I remember that you talked about the brain sizes or the
Okay,
intellectual quotient.
fine.
I
Thank
have
you. So
remembered it.
nice
Yes.
seeing you also. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So I remembered that topic. So it was
Right.
a nice thing, and you have to work only on that.
Okay,
Nothing else.
fine.
Excuse me,
Thanks.
ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Right.
Definitely.
yes,
Excuse
Sarit.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Sarit.
My subject is English, ma'am. So will
Okay,
you be
very
my
nice.
guide? Your subject is also English, so will you be my guide?
I don't know the university will allow. Okay, there is a limitation to take students. I don't know how because recently I have 4 students with me. So let me see if the university will allow you. You can make a choice. You can also give your consent that you want to work with me. If then you can ask them if the particular number is there. I think 6 or 8 is the maximum number of candidate one supervisor can take. So you can ask them if you want to work with me.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions?
Ma'am, just for the information.
Not for today, man.
Not for
Ma'am,
today. Okay. Thank you so much,
ma'am,
and bye bye.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
Arjun.
Thank you,
ma'am,
ma'am.
when will be the guide be allotted, supervisors be allotted
Ben,
to us? Yeah, by when?
I don't have any idea. I'm just a teacher. I'm just a faculty. I cannot
Okay.
decide it. Only the directors of and the management will decide it now.
Okay,
So
ma'am. Yeah, just a query.
I can understand, but I seriously don't have any idea about it because even I don't get a notification about allotting the guides. हो सकता है एक दो student मुझे भी allot करेंगे तो शायद अभी तक मेरे पास notification नहीं है. They must be making the list and how many scholars are under which faculty. So, okay, because you have time of 3 months, so don't worry. You will get a guide.
Yes,
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Vijay.
Yeah, ma'am, you said like after 3 to 4 months of course duration, we will be having an exam, and after passing the exam, we'll be allowed to
Write
start
a synopsis.
working. Yeah, yes, ma'am. So if suppose if we fail, what will be the
No,
next
you
thing?
won't be. Why you are thinking so negative? We are teaching you so well. Itna, no, we are
No,
teaching.
ma'am, this is like just a query.
You won't get fail because assignment marks will be internal, and
Okay.
then your objective questions will be there, and we don't used to make such a hard question paper. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Because
Well,
I
this is-
asked, ma'am, the first class was like a computer application, and I was just listening the computer application,
If
and
you failed it, then after a month or two, another coursework exam will be there. You have to take that.
okay, fine. That is what I want to ask.
Yeah. Every
So,
2 month, 3 month duration, one coursework exam is being scheduled. So you have been transported into that.
Okay, is that will be like a chargeable extra?
No, I don't think so. Yes, Rohit.
मैम यूनिवर्सिटी के वेबसाइट पे शेड्यूल दिया हुआ है कोर्स वर्क का
हाँ
1 नवंबर तक का वो टाइम टेबल और शेड्यूल दिया गया है,
हाँ
तो उस हिसाब से ही ये चलेगा ना, मतलब?
हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से दिसंबर या जनवरी में ही आपका एग्जाम होगा, क्योंकि मैंने कहा ना लगभग 4 से 6 महीने का ड्यूरेशन होता है जो कोर्स वर्क का होता है। तो तब तक का तो क्लासेस आपका चलेगा, बिकॉज देखो यूनिवर्सिटी भी 6 महीने से कम का कोर्स वर्क नहीं दिखा सकती है, अदरवाइज देयर एफिलिएशन विल बी क्वेश्चन।
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
मोस्ट वेलकम।
Oh, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
हाँ
Good
जी,
night.
हाँ जी श्रीधरन।
Good night, ma'am. Thank you very much. It was nice class.
Okay, okay. Bye everyone. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Good night, ma'am.
Bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.